Welcome to 9940 West 153rd, a very nice one-bedroom condo unit, good-sized living room, AC, and this is on the back, the quiet side of the building, so you have a really peaceful view out the living room and from the balcony. Great place to put a barbecue, a couple chairs. Going right on into the kitchen. Good size eat-in kitchen. Gas stove, dishwasher, fridge, nice counter space. And hiding behind these doors is great pantry space. So let's explore the rest of the condo. Going back out to the hallway. Here on the right you see a large closet. And into the right is the bathroom. Very nice molded unit. Tub and shower. Big mirror, storage under the sink. And we're going into the bedroom now. A really good size, with very large closet. Nice quiet view out the back. And this unit does come with one garage parking spot included. So if you'd like to take a look at it, give us a call, 773-658-9555.